in harmony, from bondage we'll be free. Only until side by side, humankind's pomp and pride finally subsides. All rulers round the earth witness Baha'u'llah's birth, illuminations with his words. The most great peace shall come. Oh, the most great peace shall come. Oh, the most great peace shall come. The most great peace shall come. Silk gowns and crowns of gold are what kings and queens adore. True worship, something more. From worldly plots retire, be garbed in holy attire, to God's calling aspire. Lay down your swords today, seek unity and pray, to Allah's hear Baha'u'llah say. The most great peace shall come. Oh, the most great peace shall come. Oh, the most great peace shall come. The most great peace shall come. Baha'u'llah says, the earth is but one country, and mankind its citizens. We desire but the good of the world, and happiness of the nations. Let not a man glory in that he loves his country. Let him glory in that he loves his kind. These fruitless strifes, these ruinous wars shall pass away, and the most great peace shall come. Oh, the most great peace shall come. The most great peace shall come. The most great peace shall come.